Hey everybody, it's SaskiaSketches, and in today's video we're going to be opening up another Scrawlrbox. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Alright, let's get into it. Ooh, I see a lot of stuff. This thing was really heavy. Okay, I'm loving this sticker, look at that. And I'm seeing something on the spoiler card. What? Whoa, Data Brownie! That's a good brand, guys. Whoa, look at that. Watercolors. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I love these pencils. Oh, I love these. I don't think I have this one. Maybe I have that one already. But, oh my gosh. Oh, these are some of my favorite art supplies. It's my birthday? What the heck? Skip these. And is that a Posca pen? It's a fine point Posca pen and it's white. You're kidding me. I've been wanting to get one of those because my other one died and I have a paint marker, but it's a bit too thick for what I want to do with paint markers most of the time. It's that one. It's too thick, but oh my gosh. This is like the perfect Scrawlrbox for me. Whoa. Let me just get this open. Oh, I am so excited. Yeah, oh, look how thin that is. Whoa, that's a really fine point. Nice. Oh my gosh. It's red, it's a colored pencil and it's erasable. I've been wanting to get one of these too. What? This is so great. I don't even know what to say. There's literally nothing in this box that I dislike or haven't used or didn't want to get anyway. And I like this type of sweet too. What is this? I'm gonna save this one for later. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, can you tell I'm excited? Wow. I've never used anything from Data Brownie before, but I've heard that it's really good stuff. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Am I dreaming? Tell me if I'm dreaming. Oh. That looks so good. Look at a teeny tiny brush. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is by far the best Scrawlrbox I've ever gotten. Wow. Okay, let's see the prompt. Summer flourish. Okay. What? Oh, this is so cool. Wow. All right. Let's see the print, huh? Ooh. Oh, they got paper too! Oh, so nice and sturdy! Ah, yes! Oh, goodness. This feels so nice. in this prompt. That's really pretty. I'll have a link to this artist's work in the description down below. Oh, I can't even believe this. I'm so happy. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so let's create some artwork. Alright, so before we get into the video, my microphone died on me, so if the audio sounds a little bit different, it's because I'm recording this on my phone and not on my usual microphone. I do think the quality is decent though, so that's why I'm doing it this way, and I still want to get a video out. I'm not going to let a busted up microphone stop me from doing that, so you guys can still have a video, because I'm also just really excited about this art project that I did with the Scrawlrbox. As you could probably tell, I was really happy with all the supplies that were in the box, and I swatched them first, so you'll see that on screen. I've got it took me a little bit of time to prep the paint marker, but once I had finally got it going, it was wonderful. It was nice white, nice and opaque, and it worked like a charm. And the colour pencils were amazing too. Like, I love the Polychromos Faber-Castell pencils, and the red one with the eraser on the end, it worked really beautifully, and it didn't erase all the way. If I pressed down very hard, it wouldn't erase, but that's with normal coloured pencils too, and I do think this one erased a bit better than a normal coloured pencil. And the watercolours were just perfect. They went on so smoothly and almost like butter. It was so great, and you could really tell that the quality of these was incredible. Like, I've gotten a watercolor palette in a Scrawlrbox before, but that quality was nothing compared to this. That one was I think from Derwent. It was an Inktense watercolor set, and it was so chalky. It was the quality wasn't as good as this one. And with the Daily Rani inks, with the Daily Rani watercolor, sorry, you could really tell that it was good quality, because there was hardly any filler. It didn't dry opaque. It was really nice to work with, and I'm so happy that I got that in the Scrawlrbox. And so yeah, that's what I did for the supplies. And for what I drew two of my new characters. They're called Cling and Clang, and they're absolutely awesome. I love these two. Yeah, so I designed these a little bit ago. They're not very old yet. I need to figure out a couple things about the backstory and stuff, and about what kind of project I want them to be in. I think it's going to be a weekly comic that I might be posting on my Instagram, but I'm not sure about that yet, so don't count on it. I'm hosting the monthly challenge first, so yeah, you're not going to see anything before the end of July, so nothing anytime soon. But anyway, the way I incorporated the prompt was I did a little bit of floral for the background. I just was really excited about drawing these two characters, so I didn't pay too much attention to the prompts. But it's about creating, and it's about being creative and all that stuff. So yeah, the fact that I did indeed create something is what Scrawlrbox wants anyway. They commented on my first ever Scrawlrbox when I didn't really keep the prompt, and I just drew, I think I just drew a tiger or something, and they liked it anyway, so whatever, it's fine. Yeah, so I thought I'd talk a little bit more about these characters. So like I mentioned, they're called Cling and Clang, and they are pretty crazy. The guardians of a haunted house, and so they're supposed to make sure nobody gets in, and I think they're also in charge of, you know, killing any people that enter the grounds of the castle, whatever, just keeping it safe and stuff. And it just did really, really whack. Like, think Ryuk from Death Note, but like intensified. Yeah, so they're creepy and funny and stuff, so like comedic relief, and like, I don't really write much humour, but I think it would be really cool to write a creepy yet funny story. And yeah, I think that's a really cool combination, which which I would love to attempt. But first I'm kind of busy still with other projects, and yeah, so once the monthly challenge on Instagram is done, I will probably maybe post some comics of this one. I have some other comics planned too, and one is one I've been planning for ages, and which I will start probably in a couple of months. I hope to start it before the end of this year, but I'm not sure if that's going to work out. And the other one I might start in November, but I'm not sure about that yet. Probably. I mean, I'm really excited to be creating comics and stuff. I've never really done it before on a larger scale. I just need to figure out how to do it best. So I think I'm doing the sketches traditionally, and then you know, everything like the inking and yeah, the rest of that I'll be doing digitally. Yeah, but I'm not quite sure about that yet. The first thing I still want to do is make a storyboard. I've drawn everything out. I just need one more person to voice act for me. Yeah, so that'll hopefully you know, get done soon. And also actually I'm painting another mural, which I'm so excited about. I'm painting it for a friend of mine, and I'll be with her for 3 days and just painting, and that's going to be so much fun. I hope I can film it for you guys and make a video out of it, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that will be really fun to try and do. So yeah, that's kind of the projects that I'm working on at the moment. I have commissions open too, actually. Yeah, and speaking of commissions, I commissioned Holly Brown to draw Clang for me too, and she's having a bit of, you know, money trouble. So if any of you have, you know, $40 to spare and you want a commission, please go and check her out, and she'll, you know, give she'll put the money to good use, and she'll draw a great commission for you. So I highly recommend you commission Holly Brown and give her, you know, a little bit of the money that she needs, and you know, she'll give you a great commission in return. And yeah, she's an awesome artist. I love her work. I'll have links in the description to her Instagram, her YouTube, and the stream in which she drew Clang. She drew them live and made some really funny interpretations and jokes, and she did some marvelous voice acting for them. It's really funny, and I highly recommend to check her content out. She's an awesome YouTuber, and I love her stuff and I love her content, and yeah, I really highly recommend you go watch her. A little bit of a disclaimer though, she does swear a lot, and she's a bit more of a mature kind of YouTuber, so if you're not into that, don't watch it. But yeah, so I'm sorry this video was a bit all over the place. I didn't really expect my microphone to break on me, so I can't really sync my audio with the video as I'm recording it. It's strange, but yeah, I'll work it out, don't worry about it. Yeah, so sorry I was a little bit all over the place. I just kept talking and stuff about things that came to mind. I usually have more dedicated Scrawlrbox videos, but I thought it was good to give you guys an update on what I'm working on and stuff. Yeah, so I really hope to be spending more time on YouTube now that I have a summer break. I'm just a bit busy this week because I'm painting that mural, which is really awesome, but I'll promise that I will have high quality videos soon. This is when I have more time to work on them and stuff. Yeah, I've got a couple of collabs coming out soon, hopefully. Still need to film those, but yeah. I have a lot of friends that are going to come and stay over during the summer break, which is going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, but anyway, guys, I'm so happy that you watched this video all the way to the end. Please forgive me for not, you know, talking a lot about the piece and about Scrawlrbox, but I hope you enjoyed anyway. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking the video. Yeah, I'm so happy to have you with me on this journey, and even though we're not really big yet, if we ever will be, I hope so. That would be great to grow a little bit of a community, as I talked about, but I've only been doing YouTube for like half a year, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Keep on sketching. Have a great weekend. Bye.